Students, welcome to the today's class. Last class we are discussing the PDCP overview, control plan users and control plan users and user plan is there. So we have to see the overview of that one. Now today we start the PDCP means packet data convergence protocol and packet data unit formats user plan and control plan. See, if the PDCP and PDU, if you used both in the management, resource management, what happens here? If you use these both data in a packet in nature, it convey the information either plan or it may be containing a some compressed file or uncompressed file through the internet protocols. What are the signals? What signals are there? Or data in a particular manner is there or not? When you have to use PDCP and PDU, if both these are the signal information is there, when you have to combine these combining in a working place, so these data will be, it is containing a compression or uncompressed through IP, means internet protocol data containing, and it is associated with RRC network, means radio resource control. After getting this one, the MAC layer will be identify which one is the authentication. This signal will be have a authentication or it will have a non-authentication. You have to check this in a manner. It is management wise. And PDCP control and PDU. How the controlling the data? If you have to use the first one is PDCP and PDU, and second one is controlling, how to control the PDCP and PDU. If user plan to convey the what is the status the during working process, means if the signal will be receiving and transmitting, what type of the information is there. The header file is, it is compressed or it will be decompressed in nature. You have to check this, and it will be take the peer-to-peer signaling processor, means it is continuous processing. If process will be discontinued, what happens? If the signal will be not receiving in the proper way. So that's why you see this figure. First initial data will be there. That initial data, it may be first, it may be in a initial stage, it will be downlink in nature. After that, it will be sequence or not. PDCP SN means it is sequence wise or it is non-sequence wise. It will be checked in a particular manner. If sequence wise means there is a no problem, we have to receive the signals. Once if you have to receive the signal, it will be sent to the acknowledge mode or unacknowledged mode or transport mode. If the signal will be receiving, means the destination point will be sent to the acknowledgement to the receiver's source time or resources side. If unacknowledgement, there is no message we have to receive, or it may be transport mode. See, this is after completion of this one, the process will be complete, means the media access control will be there. What type of the control is needed, according to that way this MAC layer will be controlling the whole process. So this is the PDCP data, PDU, and controlling the PDCP and PDU. Now, already we have to discuss with the file is header compressions and integrity means quality of the signals and ciphering quality of the signal and calculation is very necessary. So these are the header compression means you have to compress the data in header manner and decompress it according to your header. What header will be take the decision according to that your data will be set and you have to proceed. So MAC and RLC overview means MAC and RLC, these are the sub layers. When you combining or you have to discuss them in this RLC and MAC layers, some files will be containing that one HARQ means header automatic request repeated, sorry, automatic request repeated means automatically it will be checking, it may be in the proper way in the header automatic request repeated request means this equipment will be identify it is repeated request or it is non repeated request. After that, when it is repeated request means user equipment will be identify the what type of the channels are there. It may be logical channels or it may be transport channels or it may be physical channels. If I already told you in the last class, channel is very important play role. So this rule will be means if you pass the information one point to another point, it is very important. Channel play very important. It may you can use logical channels, physical channels, whatever it may be, according to your design means according to your design or our design, we have to select the channels. If the information channel means you can use the transport channels. If you have to use the logical operations means you can use logical channels. After that you can use the physical channel. If you have to physical layers means you can use the physical channels. According to this the MAC layer will be working. This is the overview means how to work MAC and RLC layers and what is the operation, what operation will be taking place. According to that we have to take the decision. So this one is the overview of the MAC and RLC overview. See, data transfer modes with the help of RL. There are three types of the data transfer mode is there. One is the transport mode. Another one is unacknowledged mode. And third one is acknowledged mode. So already I repeated these words. If the transport mode means it is the simplest mode operations. The radio link control is there. How to pass the information. It is the data will be more large means you have to segment it. After that concatenation is perform the operations. This mode is suitable for the service that do not need the retransmission or not sensitive to deliver the order. See, once if you pass the information in the proper way, if you get the signals source to destination, you have to receive. Suppose if the transport mode it is not working in the proper directions, what to do? Means your signal will be not received in the proper directions. So on that time it is need to retransmissions. So that's why whatever the data is there, first you have to segregate segmentation it. If you sending the large data, you have to segment it first half, second. For example, 100 kilo weight is there. Can you lift this 100 kilo weight? No. You have to make a first 25 kg, 25 kg, 25 kg according to your ability or your capability. Similar thing will be here. If the transport channels, what is the capacity of that channels? According to that capacity, we can send the informations. Once if you how to information will be received, you have to send the acknowledgement to the that source and destination. Destination will be reached means you have to send the acknowledgement to the source. Then you have to finalize that this is the operation will be completed. If you have to not receive the acknowledge mode means what happens, our data will be some missing, means we have to not get the proper direction. So acknowledgement will be play very important role, because it when it is received the signal means we have to send the acknowledgement. So we in the, for example, you can take WhatsApp messages. If you send in some information, what we can do? Oh, thank you. Means this is the unacknowledgement. If you see the message means you will put the some arrow mark, some right signals means you have to see the if the message will be see means it this symbols will be coming, right symbols are coming, that is blue in color. If you not seen means there is no color, there is no mark. So that is, this is the transfer mode for the transport mode. One is the acknowledge mode, another one is unacknowledged mode. This is the mode of transportation. See, purpose of MAC and RLC layer. What is the purpose we are using? Means when the signal will be receiving or in the transferring mode, some layers are used, some channels will be there, that is RRC channels, radio, resource control, and common control channels. These are the logical channels. Means any information you have to pass, these layers would be play very important role. After that, if you these layers checking what are the data is there, it is correction or not correction. If you give the some error means you have to correct it. Then will be the automatic repeat request repeated. So this symbol or this devices will be work in according to proper way. And resegmentation of RLC data PDU only when acknowledge mode data transfer. See, if a segmented data will be there means how to combine that one, means resegmentation. See how to segment and resegment it when the data will be more. If the delivery time it will be in sequence or it is in non-sequence way, you have to check these informations. And it will be duplicate or unduplicate data is there. Duplicate means it gives the some problems, then you have to check by the proper way in the proper direction. RLC will be re-establishment, means radio link control will be re-established, because it will every time when you have to sending the signals, it is re-established process will become. So this is in acknowledged mode and non-acknowledged mode. It will be according to working in this way. So stop here. Today class we are discussing this one. Next class we see the next